Today I'm going to be showing you some of the features of the 2024 Highlife Collection. Around the hot tub, you'll find comfort controls. These will allow you to change the intensity of the jets in the seats. This bigger knob is called the diverter valve. This will change the intensity from one side of your hot tub to the other side of your hot tub. If you want it to be equal pressure all the way around, face it towards the inside of the hot tub. This bigger cap is your IQ monitoring system. Just turn it to the left, take the cap off. You will see there's a lock and an unlock icon. Just turn it to the unlock icon and then pull it out, and then you can change the sensor. The smaller cap is your salt system cartridge. Just turn that to the left, pull it up. To take the cartridge out, press on the button on the top and then pull out firmly, and then you can change out your cartridge at that time. The one you get with a hot tub is a plug. If you don't see any diodes, this means that this is just the plug. This is the filter compartment. Just pull the lid off. This houses all your filters. Typically you have 5 filters, but sometimes you'll only have 3. The one with the gray cap, that's your 24-hour circulation pump. That's the one that goes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To remove a filter, just unscrew the cap, then take the filter out. And then just repeat the process to put it back in. If you want to control the flow of the jets individually, you can turn the inside of this jet. Also with these you can't turn the inside, but you can turn the directional any which way you'd like for more precision. This is called the motor massage. These are 2 jets that move up and down your back, giving you a sweeping motion. This is where the circulation pump pushes the water through back into your hot tub, and also when it heats, that's where the heat will be coming through. If you chose the sound system, to activate the speakers, press down to bring them up, press down and click to put them away. This acts as your diagnostic light. If both lights are illuminated, everything is good. If your top light is off, but your bottom is on, that means your temperature is above or below what you set it at by 2 degrees. If your light is off here, that means that it's gone into protection mode, typically a dirty filter. To remedy that, we have a different video. If this is blinking and this one is on, that means your salt system needs attention or needs to be started up. To see a full list of what these lights mean, check out your user manual. If you need to locate your serial number, it's on the door side, typically where the control panel is, on the bottom right of the hot tub. If your Highlife model is equipped with a waterfall, it'll look like this. On the control side of the hot tub, towards the bottom, you will find a main drain and a secondary drain. You can connect a hose to this drain and direct the water to where you want it to go.